Welcome to our tutorial on changing the chat lock on Telegram. Let's secure your conversations with these simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your Android smartphone. Once you're in, locate and tap the three-line menu button situated in the top left corner. From there, navigate to the Settings option. Within Settings, find and select Privacy and Security. Under the Security section, look for Passcode lock and tap on it. Then, proceed by selecting Change Passcode. It's time to input your new passcode to update your chat lock. By following these simple steps, you can customize your chat lock passcode on Telegram, ensuring the security of your conversations. Remember, keeping your chats secure is essential in today's digital world. Take control of your privacy and protect your messages by updating your chat lock passcode on Telegram today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Stay safe and secure in your online communications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Keep your conversations safe and secure on Telegram.